Hey guys, it's Cheshire Grynn here. I just thought I would go ahead and get a review up. Um, a lot of you guys out there who use desktop, if you use a computer, you know what a desktop is. You may be into customization, and if you're into customization, you may be familiar with, or you may have heard of a program known as Rainmeter. Um, I got Rainmeter recently, and it's not the first time I've messed around with it. It can be pretty intimidating at first, but you get the hang of it pretty fast. Basically, Rainmeter allows you to customize your layout. Hold on, let me see. Let me see what I've got set up here. This is my current layout right here. This is actually something I got on DeviantArt. I will try and remember what the original file, what its site, what the poster was, and then post a link to it in the description. Basically, this stuff, I run Windows 10 basic. I don't have, I don't have any other programs aside from Rainmeter for customization. I'm thinking about getting Rocket Docket. I haven't decided yet, but I like this. It's really functional. I've got my little icons right here. I can open up computer. I can open up my user, my documents folder, my preferred photo editing software, which is GIMP, and then Chrome, which is my preferred browser. It also has a volume switch right here. Has how much of the computer's I think that's the the CPU data right there. Has RGB I mean. Has the current speed, the current average speed. It's got the power. It's got a power button. It's got how much RAM is available, how much it's being used, and the one I'm using, I'm plugged in my adapter, but it's got your battery power listed right here. It's got all these neat little decorations too. My theme also has a bunch of social icons right here. It's got a little bit of decorations right here. It's got a couple of other add-ons. This right here is actually a clock. I don't know if you can see it very well with the background that I use, but anyway. So yeah, with that, let's go back right there. So you can see that it looks kind of intimidating, but let me show you the actual program itself and a couple of the things that I use. This right here, this is Rainmeter. This is the basic setup. You got your skins. This is where you get all your things that you have. Like, say for instance, okay, those of you who know I'm a brony, go ahead. If you want, you guys can laugh. But one of the things that I like to use is the Bad Flank Dash and Dashy animator for the Dashy style music player. So I double click this, and you can like drag it around and stuff. Say if I want to place it right here. Now I can go into my settings, go into this, and see the player right here. It says items. Let's change that to Windows Media Player, WMP. Now what you do is you click save. You can close out of this, and then you refresh. And then, since I'm non-profit, I'll go ahead and click this to see if I have any music. Do I have any music? I may have not even done that right. Anyway, you get the point of that. So you can mess with the transparency. I have most of my stuff that's not connected to the main theme. I have it set to around 50%. You can set it to do something on hover, like say if you have 50% and you want it to appear when you go on hover over it, it'll do that. You can make it to where you can click straight through it and it won't do anything. You click straight through it. You can have it positioning. I actually have the stuff all to where it's just normal, where it's on the desktop. Let's go ahead and unload that. Close that. Where's my OBS? There we go. We can go back to this. So yeah, there are a couple of cons to it, mainly the fact that since there isn't any main, it's really open source. which can be a pro and a con. You are able to make your own content, which a lot of people do. The content I am actually using is made by another user. I got the content off DeviantArt. I will, before I post this, I'll look up and then I'll link to the actual page of the files for the skin that I use, and I'll put that in the description. Basically, DeviantArt is a good site to get a bunch of different themes for it. You can create your own if you're savvy with CSS, HTML, that kind of junk. So one of the cons is mainly finding reliable sources. I actually found a really neat one that I was going to use, but it turned out to be a spyware thing, so I ended up not downloading it. That's pretty much all I can say about that for now. So I'll go ahead and close it there. Like, favorite, and subscribe if you guys want to see more reviews, if you want to see me grow as a channel. And if you have any ideas for any software or anything in general that you want me to do a review over, go ahead and drop it by the discussion tab, or go over to the to the Twitter page. That was off topic. Go over to the Cheshire Grynn Twitter page and post under the hashtags suggested reviews, a little bit about what you want me to cover. So with that, I hope to see some more of you guys later. Oh, and something I'm going to start doing, I'm going to close with a question, and then I'm going to hope that you guys take it upon yourself to make video responses, because that's what this is. And then each week I will post a vlog, and at the end of that vlog I will pick a winner for each day's question. Today's question, which is, let's see, what is today? Tuesday, May 11th, 2016. The question will be, what kind of content do you think I should consider uploading next? And be sure to give some details. I look forward to seeing some video replies about that, so see you guys later.